All right, now here is the summary table for the characteristics that you're going to want to know for the parabola, where the vertex is centered, or excuse me, located at the origin. Okay, so notice the difference between the axis of symmetry being the y-axis versus the axis of symmetry being the x-axis. So notice that we have the formula, the equation that we derived. And so notice that in this case here, the axis of symmetry is the y-axis. Okay, so we have this equation here, whereas this here is the axis of symmetry is the x-axis. So notice that the x and the y are changed. In both of them, the vertex is located at the origin. The focus is at 0, p for this one versus p, 0. And then the directrix is like we saw before, y equals negative p. Okay, but if it's in this case here, it would be x equals negative p. And then the axis of symmetry is x equal to 0, which is the y-axis. And over here, the axis of symmetry, the equation for the axis of symmetry is y equals 0, which is the x-axis. And then as far as the graph goes, I didn't graph all the details. Again, pay attention to those in the way I graphed them in the previous videos. But the main thing I wanted to share with you here is how p affects the direction of the parabola, where it opens up at. So if p is positive, then the parabola opens upward in this case and to the right in this case. If p is negative, it opens downward in this case and opens to the left in this case. And so we're going to do some examples, and so you'll see what I mean. But again, pay attention to the characteristics and also the examples, and make sure you know how to graph all the important aspects of the parabola.